Kublai pi baro chaka thup khubor jongi ka Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san Shillong. Play ya ka jingra kisni light load. Azadi ka amrut muhatsaf mentakasni. Umdan jingpat ni jingbete ki Jakati uranium ha Southwest Khasi Hills pencayu menteri rang ba ka Jylla ha yeng dorbar thawan hene kasni. Chakta ki pajba ka nam dong PHC nakadaw ki jingduna ki staff nurse pa Dr. MBBS. Timtang ni phash ki khubor ki bakhamnya. Ketenat jong ka arts but culture jong ka Jylla haring kat bat ka jingye trelang bat ka yeng ulat. Kila penloy ka jing sedang ban rakhe kerpang ya kasni light load bah nyau husan jong ka ri India. Ka azadi ka amrut muhatsaf menta ka janmet jong ka khat artarik uleber hajar arphuai ha yeng ulat ka Raj Bhavan. Ha jingkren sedang jong menteri rang badu ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma ula ai khuble ka jingklo jong ulat ban pediang ka jing terwa na kaliang ka Jylla ban penloy ka ni ka program. Mula krendu baka jing i ri ka day ban sedang nala yeng nala sem bahikai ki khunrit. Na kaliang ulat ka Jylla ha bakren ha ka ni ka program ulai ro ya ka jing i shongkun ka ni ka jaka ha ka baula ong. Bon ki Jylla kim da kan mau shu ki klawat kari kum yu Subhash Chandra Bose. Henry lajungi kala penne pensa nam yu Nehru riu krau ubalawan bon sien chakani kari khasi ban penlong ya ka jing penslur panyale persha ya ka jing sensha jubol jong ki pare. Ula air ka khubor basoltanat ban nakaliang ko Raj Bhavan kin pediang ki jing le buram baharukom lakilong hakinu kinu ki rukom ban penslur ki jing rakhe kasni ka light load kari. Hakani kasni la adon ka jing pin i ya ka jing em ki lai ngut rawat ka Jylla ki balaya le ban pelai do ya kari na ka jing senchar ki doli la pin i ya ka jing em jong ki lai ngut da ki drama lengkot bala pin kre bat pin janai da ka jing ya tre lang ka ICCR i kong selbi pasa ka kunhun jong i bat ki we la pin shongkun shu shu ya ka program da ka jing roi na ka kunhun bala pa ka kari bat perthei ka Shillong chamber choir
for our freedom this evening. As we launch the India 75 celebrations, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and join hands with the rest of the country here in our state, we pay rich tribute to the invaluable contribution of our freedom fighters who gave up their today for our tomorrow.
Very lucky as a state and as Meghalayans to be able to celebrate both the 75 years of our independence of our country and 50 years of our statehood in the same year. And I would like to urge the citizens of the state, let us really make it meaningful. I'm very
Haka jingya tai yeng dorba thau an hene kasni nakaliang menteri rang badu ka Jylla ukon rat ki sangma ulai thu bahadin ka jingwat benya nakaliang ki start science lalap baklam dan kanu ka jingpat ne jingpathai haka Jakati uranium ha Southwest Khasi Hills
concerned about this important issue and immediately after news items circulated in social media on 21st of September 2020 saying that an explosion had occurred at a repository site at Nongba Jinrim, Wakaji.
Nakaliang uzenat sangma ubalabu ka jingkili hakabaya day bat ki jingye tung kam ya kinong tre contract ka MEDCL. Man nakaliang minister badai pe ya katanat boarding electric u James sangma ulai thu balatung kumbashis pa apu prangot kinong tre nakabanta ban pinsting bat pin study ki kam hakabaya day bat ka boarding hakilai tili ki district haka Jylla.
So the reservation policy, of course, that is not my department, sir. That will be more of personnel, sir. But, sir, these are contractual employees and their tenure is for a period of 1 year, sir. Therefore, usually, sir, the reservation policy does not apply in these kind of instances, sir.
Haka jingya tai bakham shongshit hiyeng dorba thau an hene kasni kong ampurin lingdo kala kentui ka sorkar Jylla ban penbhabat penjanai kurukam tre kam ka ling suin ka badon haka Jylla haki benta ki babun la ban pen kenmau bai kani ka ling suin la penya so bat ka sorba Kolkata bat Delhi nakaliang menteri badi pe ya katna transport utsnya bhalang dharu lai thu bakaling suin indigo kala tre kampura na duka shitarak ulebe da ka ba ai jing shakri ba bhatam ya ki pa
The Government of India through the Ministry of Civil Aviation is now providing financial incentive to to make flight operations economically viable for unserved or underserved airport in the country through the Regional Connectivity Scheme, RCS. The state government has always been keen to participate in the Regional Connectivity Scheme of the Government of India, and to take this forward, a tripartite memorandum of understanding was signed between the Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Government of Meghalaya and the Airport Authority of India in January 2017. Subsequently, the Shillong Airport was covered under the UDAN's Regional Connectivity Schemes as one of the underserved airports in the country. And also about the restroom, which has been raised by the honourable member about the restroom and the other facilities in the airport. And all this matter we will take up with the Airport Authority of India in the days to come. And yes, it is necessary that to have a turquoise in the airport as the other airport has in all over the country. And it seems that as per to my information, tender has been floated for these purposes by the Airport Authority. And regarding the prepaid counter, we will take it up with the Airport Authority of India. And also, there is important point raised by the member about these pharmacies and all the outlets in the airport. And Airport Authority has already floated tender for this purpose and yet to function in the days to come. And also,
Hakabapha kaliang kakwat kakhya na kaliang umentri kakwat kakhya UAL hek ula pentip bahadu menta lala ban IT ka COVID khat khandai ki hinriu phu hajar ngot ki nong trei katanat da ka babanra baki nong trei katanat kakwat kakhya ki dei ki bakham hak khmat badon ka jingma hakaban yo yunu khnyang jingpang na kata kadaw na kaliang katanat badi pe kakwat kakhya ki penslu shwai ki nong trei ban IT ka yada nanika jingpang Hakajuk pola penyadui kajing IT ka yikan theba arman balada ban ai kumba ndai phu a kashispa
which is mentioned by the honorable member. Healthcare workers are the most vulnerable group. Therefore, they are the first prioritized group to get the vaccines. It may be noted that the vaccination does not ensure one is infection-free, but it will help in reducing the severity of infection if and when it happens. The COVID Shields vaccine developed
Ka Joint Action Committee ka baladon lang nadu ka FKJGP KSU Namdong Unit bat kirang basnong jong ka than Namdong area. Hinen ka singi hapo ka jinglam khmat u MDC ka than madawan lingdo bat na ka FKJGP la mi khmat da u DS War Chief Organizing Secretary Jante Hill Zone. Usamla ju hi taryang General Secretary KSU Namdong ki wahet chnong ka ni ka than kilalik benya kendu yu Doctor in Charge jong ka Namdong PHC Dr. T Suchang bantebi ki daw jong ka jingdu ko trekam ka ni ka Namdong PHC. Akan kasniu Doctor in Charge ka PHC ulaya to baumla shu banai jing sakri ki paiba na marka jingduna ki staff nurse marka ju ka por udon tang marwei kumu MBBS doctor baru kamtam ka jingsha transfer ki nurse ki batrei hakan na ka PHC bat klam da thung patadien ka jing transfer yaki ka GAC mentar rengkat ka jingya don langu MDC ka ni ka than kala alik shim ya karai ban lik pen sngo ship ki bor ba dei khmi ka kot ka kya lor ka ni balada kim sngap ya ka ni ka jing ya jung pata ka ni ka than jong ka GAC kan shim pat da ki we ki sen jam na ka mta ban dawa ya ka hok upai ba
lai pheu we jar ngut ki pai ba jong ni ka than jang kamlong basuk ha jo ko por ki we pat ki sta ki post po ni PC jong kila sa thali menta ka we dei bat ki grade 4 Hagwe dai bagi staff nurse kila sa thali hidup menta hagju ko poro kani ke area jongi kelong bacnga hidup kata-kata bangin poi sa jawai leni sa umulam bakham don ki jaga sumar khambiang ndrei nimdon wat tangga ambulan ro biang kani ga PC jongi kumtang ibu kani jing dawa ga tanat jong ko khia bangan penbiang ini jing don kam jongi bar hagju ko poro ngi lesim mi garai menta ga sngi pan bo i jing dawa po istiawan pen urlang ini jing don kam jongi PC pala da kani ga Tanah jong ko ingkia kamla ban penbiang gini ngin simpan da we gilenti ban dawai gini ka hok nang ti jongi pai ba jong ni ka area
ka New Dawn ka week na ki seng ba thamai jong ka samlah ni ka singi ka labu jing kili halor ka rukom trekam jong ka sarkar jala ka babun kiliang habakran bikila pathai Khubor Na Press Club unong yelam ka kunhon u apnar pariat ulaong ki jing thut trekam ki deina du ki issue baya David ki samla lani ka youth policy bulaong ba ka youth policy bala bod ka sarkar kamlong ka
ban pois ka ni ka mat ka bang ya wan dia rum ni tas ni ka main issue ka bang ko banya kren lor mentas ni ka state youth policy kaba dangshan kila yapan suggestion but opinion ha dimba bun ki dan san buat khamtam online te ngi na kaseng jungi newton ngila submit katut ngi kli suggestions saka sorta but kila bun ha suggestions te ngi shamba ka youth policy puma ka permi ka sorkar haka draft ka kadai ki basule ke but unde ka nunu ka kam ka ba longsong kya but sakawai ru ka ba kongsan kadiba dan consultation ru chuan sai ki na kaniri na website ki itho ba sanspa nguti youth kila yo kata ka ki ai ga jimut saka youth policy tang ba ladangi ken pada sanspa youth kadai tang kanu percentage ya ka population jong state
Badda kita ki khubor ngila posh ka bakun tak do bengini syambiang khubli shibun